Hello, this is Sultan, and this is my first submission for SIT232 1.1p. And I made 6 C# programs on selection and casting. I'll run each one and then I'll show one of the debuggings. Okay, let's start. The first one is gonna be if statement, and in the first program I'll take a number from 1 to 9 and the 1 to 9 and using if else statement anything it will show the exact thing in the right line, and if I write anything outside 1 to 9 it will show that there is nothing and it just says error. So if I start in the terminal, so to run the video faster I wrote the commands in a separate page so that I can just copy paste them. Okay, so at first if I write 1 it's gonna show 1, but if I write like 12 it's gonna show none because it does not exist. Oh shit, I added .NET run. No, I had to fix it. .NET first, then I need to write number. For example, 12 is not in 1 to 9, so it shows an error. So this was the first one, and the next one's gonna be which switch statement. Let's close this one. Okay. The switch statement one, the program 2 does the same thing, but in a switch statement instead of if statement. The statement is changed. In the console write line, if I want, I can just write from 1 to 9, and it's gonna show the abbreviation. And if I write anything else, it's gonna just show error. For example, I need to change it. CD switch start. Now I can see and inject a number like a 4. It says 4, but I see 34. Why would it say 34? I need to write .NET first. Yep, it's not here, so it shows it's not gonna show anything. And for the third program it's gonna be bug fixing. For this program 3, and I had to there were 5 broken snippets. I fixed bugs like an extra semicolon, individual operators, missing break statements, and capital letters used for the switch and case. These are not allowed in the C# program. And for that, if I wanna show it to you, I'll first of all give you the correct output. For that, yep, as you can see, all 5 are now all of them are now giving the correct output. As you can see, it says the number is 50, and I failed the exam, so the number should be 1B. For the fourth one is gonna be output tracking. Yeah, it's here. The fourth program is output tracing. I was given 3 code fragments and had to work with them. The key lesson here was about curly braces. In the first fragment, which are without the curly braces, only the first line belongs to the statement, and I traced through each fragment on paper first and then confirmed the output by running the code. So let's first run the code. The last program is do casting, and it shows basically casting. And for this I'm gonna be using like 17 divided by 5, and the integers are gonna give 3, but casting to a double gives the correct answer, and it is like 3.4. I'll use the debuggers to show it. It's already here. Yeah, the break is already here. So if I already added a breakpoint here, like, yeah, I can also say margin a breakpoint, and this pauses the program in the line so that I can show step by step from like line 8, 9, 10, 11. If I press F5, it says the program is this is the debugging part, and it already shows there's nothing already done. So if I continue the program, and like for that if I press F10 to step to the line, and was the variables parent, the sum is gonna be 17, and the count is gonna be 5, and in average becomes 3, and then the thing changes when I reach the casting line. Correct average becomes the 3.4, and the correct result becomes, yep, 3.4. Then 5. Yep, now it's clear because I stopped the program. So that's all of the 6 programs, and all of them are running with no errors and plus debugging. And shuttering the videos because like my main laptop screen is not good, so I have to like jump between 2 screens to see what I'm trying to say and then show it. And thanks.